Frequency distribution. Frequency of an observation. The number of times a particular observation occurs in a given data is called its frequency. Note: for counting, we use tally marks 4, and the fifth tally mark is entered as 5 by crossing diagonally the 4 tally marks already entered. Study the given example.
Classification of data, in form of class intervals.
Class interval. Each of the groups 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc., is called a class interval. Limit. In the class interval, 10 to 20, 10 is called the lower class limit and 20 is called the upper class limit. Class width or class size. This difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit is called the width or size of the class interval. Class mark. The mid-value of a class interval is called its class mark. Thus, the class mark of the class interval 10 to 20 is 10 plus 20 upon 2 is equal to 30 upon 2 is equal to 15. Class frequency. The frequency of a class interval is called its class frequency. Thus, the class frequency of the class interval 10 to 20 is 10. Histograms. Group data can be presented using histogram. Histogram is a type of bar diagram, where the class intervals are shown on the horizontal axis and the heights of the bars show the frequency of the class interval. Also, there is no gap between the bars as there is no gap between the class intervals. Study the given example. 1. Let us again consider the grouped frequency distribution of the marks obtained by 60 students in mathematics test. Two. The following graph is another histogram. From the bars of this histogram, we can answer the following questions. Question 1. How many teachers are of age 45 years or more but less than 50 years? Answer: 5. Question 2. How many teachers are of age less than 35 years? Answer: 15.